Take 1 minute to ace trigo ratio of special angles. Do check out our video on the following before you start off with this. These angles are commonly used in trigonometric problems, and their corresponding trigo ratio can be easily remembered just by using your left hand. Starting with your pinky, your fingers represent 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees respectively. To find the trigo value, first bend the finger that represents the angle, which in our example is 30 degrees. Next, count your fingers and use the relevant formula. For sine, count the number of fingers below your bent finger, and simply square root that number and divide it by 2 to get the value of your trigo ratio. While, for cosine, count the fingers above your bent finger. Square root that number and divide it by 2 to get the value of your trigo ratio. Lastly, for tangent, while keeping your fingers bent, flip over to your backhand. Then, square root the number of fingers above the bent finger, and divide it with the square root of the number of fingers below. That's all for now. Follow us for more on our social media and YouTube channel.